This is HP12C Platinum calculator, which is usually used for to write CFA and FRM exams. It was introduced in 1980s and till now it has except 2-3 variants. It is a like static one, like no replacement for this even in this age of AI. If those who knows how to use this one and who knows the power of programmability in this calculator can only utilize it at the fullest potential. Now I will show you how to generate Fibonacci or Pingali series in this calculator, and after each generation of each number of the Fibonacci series or Pingali series, we'll see the golden ratio also, which is just divided by the previous number and the like present number, current number. So let's see. And in this I have done some programming to generate Fibonacci series automatically, and after each number it will show with hyphen sign. Actually it is a minus sign, but for to understand, to have clarity, I made it as a hyphen and our golden ratio. Let's start. I have already stored this program. If you want to see the program, I will showing you now. It is entering to programming mode. This is starting one, and as Fibonacci series starts at 0, I entered 0 and I just paused for 1 second, so I entered this one and this one 4331, and next Fibonacci series is 1 after 0, so I entered 1. Next, like again I'm showing the number digit 1 for 1 second, so I passed. This 004 is the line number in the code, and this is the buttons. Like 43 means 4th row 3rd column, means G. 31 means 3rd row and 1st column. So green symbolizes this, blue symbolizes the blue values which are printed in the slide. Small slope is there on each button, so it activates after pressing G. So that is 43, 4th row and 3rd column, and 3rd row and 1st column pass. So next I did have summed up those two digits 0 and 1, so 4 0. This is like last column is that 0 is the last column signifies, and 40 30 20 10 are the respective buttons. After summing up, I'm just showing passing so that it will show on the display, and later passing. After that I recall the last X, G and 40 display means it is last X. After that I am placing that one into storage of 1. Next, and just exchanging the display to previous register XY. This is 34th. Next I'm storing into second one. Next This is dividing those two digits which I have stored, so that it will give our golden ratio. Next, it is golden ratio, like actually I divided with the present number with I divided previous number with the present one, so I'm just inversing that one, and I'm adding sign so that it will display as the minus hyphen sign to identify which is the series and which is the golden ratio. Later I change the golden ratio as with up to 3 decimals, so I change the decimals, number of decimals, 3 decimals. Later I did pass to show the golden ratio. Later I again change it to 0 decimals, like no decimals at all, to show series. Later, and I recall the which first register which was stored earlier, and I recall second one, and again I'm going to fifth step. This is the it is goes to 0 step, which is not as part of program, but it is default things. So let's see at what step back stepping I'm seeing 005. Let's see what is there at 005 dot 005. So again, after storing, it gets summed up plus. So the program executes. I'm coming out of the program. I'm clearing all the display things. Any previous program results I'm also clearing. Now let's start. First we'll see, I'll make it 0 decimals so that it will start to show from 0 to 1, and golden ratio with 3 decimals. Let's start. 0 1 series, and this is golden ratio 2, and this is golden ratio 3 series. It is golden ratio 5 in the series, and this is the golden ratio 8 in the series, and it is golden ratio, it is 13 series and golden ratio. Likewise, golden ratio is going to reach 1.618 in soon, and it will get fixed forever. In this way, this Fibonacci or Pingali series gets generated forever in this beast of calculators, financial calculators. Like any calculator which can generate automatically, it is amazing thing. AI is nothing in front of this one. Like this is the biggest AI invention, as according to me, if anybody can ask me. See how nicely, actually what we did in this program is like pressing each digit manually rather than pressing with finger. We are just storing each pressing of the keys into software, like automatically it gets pressed internally rather pressing manually. That is programming in this HP12C, which was introduced in 1980s, more than 40 years. Still it is the no replaceable for this technology. See, the Fibonacci series going to increase. Like now it is running at 8 digits, but the ratio is constant at 1.618. This is simply amazing. I'm just showing other part of this calculator. See, it has little formulas how to calculate bonds, how to calculate dates, like to find out the day of the any date, and we can see amortization, interest, simple interest calculations, and the depreciations, statistics, It has new features like usually HP calcis 12C calcis it doesn't have any screw, but recent updation has a screw and backside, and still running. Now the digits gone to exponentials like 12 zeros after 13 zeros came. Now 1.7 10 to the power 13, 2.7 10 to the power 13, 4.5 into 10 to the power 13. It going to increase, but the golden ratio is same at 1.618. This is amazing. Fibonacci series is naturally universe follows this series in nature. You can see wherever our eyes also feels beauty standards as golden ratio according to some how nature wants golden ratio, how nature takes these numbers as part of formation of universe. Having 5 fingers is part of Fibonacci series. 0 1 1 2 3 5 8. We can see many ways. This is how nature, an entire universe follows some secret things which we are yet to find out. Let's see. It will keep on going till the maximum possible numbers it can show. The ratio is same, it won't change. That is magic of this Pingali series. Can you stop? Bye.